Module 5, Kid-Friendly Formulas. Adding 10 numbers one by one is so last year. Today, 4 magic words: sum, average, min, and max. They do the work for you. Today's challenge: find the highest game score in your class. Click the cell. Type equals sum, open bracket, then the range, like B2:B6, close bracket. Press enter. Excel adds all 5 scores in one shot. Magic. Same trick for average, equals average, range, enter, or max to find the highest. Min for the lowest. 4 formulas, 1 genius. Mini project. Type your class's last test scores in column B. Use sum, average, max, and min to find the totals, the average, the highest, and the lowest. Show your teacher. Next, tables. Sort, filter, and find anything in a long list, like a library with a search button.